Hello, my name is Annuradha and I welcome you to Rajshri Food. Today we have a very wholesome soup for you from South India, which is called Rasam. You can make it as spicy as you like, or you can have it mild. It's very easy to make and it sustains you for a long time on a rainy day or a cold winter's day. So let's get started. Let me show you the ingredients. We have half a cup of pigeon pea lentil or tur dal. Then we have 1 chopped tomato. We have 1 tablespoon of tamarind paste. We have 1 teaspoon of roasted jeera powder, 1 teaspoon of black pepper powder, 1 green chilli, 1 inch or 1 teaspoon of chopped ginger, and a little bit of garlic. 1 teaspoon oil, 1 teaspoon mustard seed, 1 whole red chilli, and a few curry leaves and green coriander to garnish. Now in India we cook our lentils in the pressure cooker, but if you don't have a pressure cooker, it's okay to cook in your normal pot, whichever you have at home. Just see that the dal or the lentil is very soft and well blended with the water. So after I have washed my lentil, added 5 cups of water to it and a little bit of salt. Put it onto the pressure cooker, let it be on the fire for about 3 to 4 whistles, and it is nicely cooked. I shall just show you the consistency of the cooked dal. It's this well mashed. So it has to be this thin and not a piece of dal should show. So once our dal has been mashed well and cooked, I'm just going to make sure by churning it that it is nice and smooth. You can use any churner, the traditional wooden one or this hand churner. Dal is absolutely smooth and it is boiling. Now to this I'm going to add my tomatoes, the tamarind paste. You can either use fresh tamarind and soak it in water, take out the paste and use, or now you get the commercial one, so you can use that also. The garlic, the black pepper, the roasted jeera powder and the green chilli all go in together. And we're going to let this boil. So now that the dal has boiled, we keep it aside and get our tempering ingredients ready. Heating our 1 tablespoon of oil. Once it's hot, add the mustard seeds. Now that our mustard seeds are spluttering, adding the red chilli, all the curry leaves. Give it a little bit of stir. And adding it to our rasam. Garnish with few coriander leaves and our rasam is ready to be served. You can serve this with a little piece of khakra or a bread or even with fried papadums. It's always a good idea to make the rasam a little early because then the tastes blend very well. Make it, keep it, reheat and serve by the evening, or make it in the night and serve it for lunch tomorrow. The flavors get enhanced a lot and it's a very soothing and nice drink to have. Don't forget to subscribe to Rajshri Food. See you soon. Bye bye.